yes! As for the formalities, my name is Alina, and welcome back to another vlog. Excuse you, Anna. Hi, I don't know if you remember me. I haven't seen you in 3 months. I'm sorry. I've been sick and busy, and my computer that I edit on died, so I had to learn how to use a new editing system, which explains my worse than usual editing. Not that my editing is ever good, but whatever. But just bear with me. But yeah, here's a vlog from October. I don't actually really remember making much of this footage, but I found it and I thought I'd finally edit it and upload it since I haven't uploaded it in forever, and but I might as well. Also, I have a project where I have to do a video, so I kind of needed to learn how to use this editing software that I got, so yeah. But anyway, in this vlog, it's just kind of a few random days in my life. Sorry if it's boring. This is what you signed up for, watching my life. I don't know what you were expecting, but well, basically I just filmed Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm not sure when the last bit of this footage was from, but I'm pretty sure it was the same week. Anyway, Monday was just a rainy day and we got stuck in traffic on my way to piano, which was great because I was half an hour late. But anyway, there's that. There's also some footage from my homeschool co-op on Tuesday, which was kind of boring, but whatever, it's my friends. You might not find that interesting, but I love them, so anyway, yeah, and then there was just another lazy Wednesday with my friend Emily, and yeah, that's about it. The last bit of footage was from me going to the zoo with my mother, so yeah, that's about it for this vlog. I'm trying to do like a less structured kind of vlog, because I don't know, my other vlogs felt kind of lifeless in a way, so I just kind of want to show you guys like my life in a way that's more artistic than like, hi, this is my YouTube video, welcome. Hey, Finny.
Hey.
What's up?
Not much.
Hey, Anna.
Hey.
Guess what? I'm vlogging.
No, really? I thought you were just pointing the camera at me for no reason.
That's really conceited of you.
Hey, I'm a dog.
Pretty grot. So yeah, today's Tuesday. It's been a long day. I had tests in 3 of my classes, well, all 3 of my classes, because my 4th class was canceled, even though I worked really hard all weekend to finish my project. But anyway, this is a horrible. Wednesday. It's been raining a lot, and apparently there's flooding. So yeah, I might be stuck at home, which is cool because really all I want to do is play in the rain like a 5-year-old. So, I mean, I don't have a problem with it. I just have a lot of school to do though. So I just wanted to give you guys an update about my life. Yeah. Julia and Emily and I were all supposed to go to the park on Saturday to vlog and write songs, but I forgot that it was my mom's birthday on Saturday, so I might be going over to Emily's house today because she lives in our neighborhood to do that. We're gonna FaceTime Julia and write songs, so that could be pretty chill. I don't know if that's actually gonna happen, but if it does, I will definitely vlog that. But until then, I have school to do. I put face stickers on my planner. Are they cute? Okay. You're not fishy stickers. They're so cute. Okay, well, I gotta get to work, so bye. Came here in the downpour and the floods. I hit a mini flood on the way. I almost feel like this almost looks like satanic. Could do. Yeah. And I feel bad because Jesus. It's not satanic, it's Jesus. Why is it just on me? This is really awkward. What are we doing? I don't know. I was just trying to be cinematic. Oh. Get more aesthetic. We're like matching. Almost. Never mind. You're wearing blue, not black. It looks black in this lighting. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I enjoyed making it, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you again later. I hope, if you want. Why am I so insecure? Why do I keep doing this? I don't know. Bye!